Hello and welcome, children. Today we are here for a very burning topic of today's world. It is not only a topic, it is a matter to be thought on only for our country or for our district or for our school, but it is throughout the world. Today, the burning topic is COVID 19, that we call, in more common language, we call coronavirus. So, without any further ado, let's get started. My dear children, first thing that you should keep in mind is that you should never be in panic. Okay? Though there is no vaccine yet to be invented, we are waiting for that vaccine to be invented, but we are having we can use some preventive measures which are often given as guidelines by our government to follow, and these preventive measures will help us to tackle with this coronavirus. So that's why I am here today to deal with you the different points that what can be done, which are the preventive measures which we can take against corona. And these are not the only the points which I am talking about, but this is the topics, these are the points which the whole world is talking about, and our government has given the guidelines for it. But before I start, let me tell you that why it is called COVID 19. This must have often come in your mind, no? That why it is COVID and it is 19. What is the reason behind it? So let me tell you, children, that what is the reason. On February 11th 2020, okay, means just 4 months back, the World Health Organization, which we call WHO, okay, so this World Health Organization, it has announced the official name for this disease, and the first patient of this disease was identified at the country China, in its city, in its province called Wuhan. And this corona has got the name COVID from it has got the abbreviation, okay, COVID. So the word, this abbreviation CO, first I'll deal with CO is the abbreviation for corona. VI is the abbreviation for virus, and D is for disease. And it first started in 2019 in China, so that's why it is given as name 19. So from here the name is derived, that is COVID 19. So we will be talking about the COVID 19 and the different kind of preventive measures which we can take. Children, once again I am telling you that need not to be worried. We should be rather more preventive towards the things. Okay, that is the best thing which we can do. So let's get started. Here is the first picture you can see on your screen. That is that greet without physical contact. Okay, this our government has said that we should greet each other without having any physical contact. So what is the distance which has to be maintained? That is called 6 feet. Okay, 6 feet, and in Hindi the measure comes to 2 gaj. Okay, so this was first started by saying that 2 gaj ki duri. Okay, so 2 gaj ki duri, this is the tagline we can say for to prevent corona. This is the tagline given by the rural India. Rural India, you understand? Rural means the villages. The villages have been given because maybe the people of village are not that much educated that they can understand that what is the distance which we call 6 feet or 2 meters. So they call it as 2 gaj. Okay, 2 gaj. So 2 gaj is the Hindi word. Okay, gaj is the measurement, and 1 2. So 2 gaj we have to maintain distance. That is being told by the government, and this has been started by government, and how we have to do that? We have to do it not by hugging each other, as we will be maintaining the distance of 2 gaj. So what you have to do, you have to greet each other by doing namaste. Okay, namaste. No hugging, no shaking hands to each other. The first preventive measure is this, that if someone comes at your home, if you want to greet someone, so what is the new greeting? That is the new normal is namaste. Okay, new normal is now no more your greeting to each other by shaking hands or hugging. That will prevent us from corona. That is the first thing, that we have to maintain the physical distance from each other. That is very important. Okay, so I will tell you more about this 2 gaj, the distance between what is the 2 gaj, how it started. So let me tell you that this mantra is given by the villagers. Okay, the village people of India has given this mantra, and it was first introduced by our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his conference. That is, that was also online conference, when he was having the conference with all the chief ministers of our different states of our country. At that time, first he elaborated about this 2 gaj. Okay, 2 gaj ki duri, and then in various conferences he has used this word, and now this is the new mantra to prevent from COVID-19. And children, why we have to learn all this, children? That because the researchers, the scientists, the doctors throughout the world, what they are saying round the globe, everybody is saying, children, that we have to learn to live with this disease. This disease is not going to exit the world very soon. Okay, so that's why our lifestyle we have to change. So this is the new normal. In other word, you must be hearing this word, new normal. So the new normal is 2 gaj ki duri. While talking with each other, while greeting with each other, we have to maintain this. And by this, of course, we can say that by saying this mantra 2 gaj ki duri, the rural people have described the social distancing in a very simple manner, and the villagers have showcased the best of their principles, tradition, values to fight coronavirus. I hope that it is clear to you. Thank you, children.